Hey guys, welcome back to Addie and Little Crafts, and today I'm going to be showing you the Knifty Knitter loom that I found. So if you guys don't know what Knifty Knitter is, it is a knitting loom brand that was discontinued a while ago, but is heavily favored by a lot of knitters because of its great quality. However, the prices for it are quite crazy, so I hadn't really ever bought one until I saw one, and I jumped to get it. So basically, my friend had it in the back of her closet and didn't need it, so she just gave it to me. I was pretty excited. Now, I don't know if everything is in here though, so that's why I'm not calling it an unboxing, because it has been used and I don't really know what has happened to it and stuff. Okay, I don't know if you can tell because of the bad lighting, but this is everything in here. And the bag is kind of yellowed, but that's okay because the loom seems to be in pretty good condition. So we have our hook, our 3 looms, and we have our instruction booklets. So here are the 3 looms that we have here. So the yellow one is the 41, the green is the 36, and the red is the 31. The pegs feel very nice. I had already donated just 2 of the larger looms, and they worked really well and produced great hats, and these feel pretty great too. Here's a little look at the bag. Okay, so here's the next part. The first thing that we have is the hook, and the interesting thing about this hook is that it seems to be double-sided, and I don't know if this part just chipped off, but I think that it's actually supposed to be like this, which is pretty unique. And next we've got our instructions here, which is just how to do a knitted hat pattern. And this one just has a few little detailed instructions here. And this also goes through some basic techniques on loom knitting, just very general things. But there's some pretty cute patterns here too, and just things on that you can make, they're pretty cute. Quick note, if you guys were wondering, the Knifty Knitter looms are the same gauge as the Loops and Threads looms, so just if you guys were wondering. And I also have a wonderful little hat that I made with this. I think it's really cute with the little pom-pom, the brim. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Please like and subscribe if you liked this video. Adios. On a short note, everyone, I did find that my loom set was missing one loom. A blue 24 peg loom that should have fit right in here. Anyways, bye guys.